entire world.
Now, there we go.
AC 1170 AM.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show.
Yes, you heard it right.
Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday, all the way till
6 p.m.
let's beat the traffic. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Sri Akal.
మీకందరికి వందనము.
Jai Swaminarayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Jai Janendra.
इस्माइल बंधु को बोल दे या अली मदद.
और हमारे सारे फीचर बंदर को बोलेंगे बुला बुला दी सांबुला and of course बोलेंगे हमारे सारे इस्माइली बंदर को मौला अली मदद as well.
And हम आ गए हैं बंधुजों.
But आपके प्यारे महिमा का नाम myself Alt Baba.
And myself, the pretty hot and happening Faltu Rani.
You're pretty hot and happening Alt Baba actually.
Yeah.
Because your spelling is PH, pretty hot, Altu.
He has to take the lightning out of every one of my guns now.
फालतू नहीं मेरे मुंह में कुछ और आ रहा है लेकिन फिर भी इसे कहते हैं
ज़्यादा ही बात करने की जरूरत है.
What?
ठीक है. आज क्या होने वाला है? What a weekend, यार बंधुजान. Amazing. Oh my God.
For a change, I had a very relaxing weekend.
It was.
I will tell you a very relaxing weekend is because I kind of, was working but was not working. I enjoyed a beautiful concert this weekend. Sunday, we actually had the opportunity to go listen to some beautiful classical music. It was more of a fusion music. I think UC Davis did a wonderful job actually on this.
Yeah.
It actually was a combination of Carnatic music with played on Western instruments. Can you believe that?
Actually, it was a totally musical weekend for us. You know why, Manjak?
Why?
Why? Because it started on Friday with Shankar S.R. and Loy.
I know. Now, what happened? 2 days came after that. Generally, I was talking about the events out on Monday, right?
Yeah, that's
Some
true.
of 2 days came in, and what a beautiful weekend it was for
I
us.
know.
Shankar S.R. was a great concert. We
Phenomenal.
talked a lot about on the Bug Bug show for sure.
Exactly.
But अभी के लिए आपको बोल देंगे रुझान हम लोग ना we gonna tell you that we had an excellent time with Shankar Mahadevan, Ehsan Rani, and also Loy Mendoza on stage, along with of course the budding stars.
Yes.
There was Siddharth
Siddharth
Mahadevan,
Mahadevan, and of course the.
Kakkar Siddhas.
No, well, I think Rasika Shekhar was.
Oh, Rasika Sheikh the place,
phenomenal.
man. She was phenomenal. Flutist and also a classical singer. She sang very well, dude.
Yeah, her name should be Rasika Shekhar. You know, like movers
Shekhar.
and shakers. Oh my God.
Oh, she actually means her name actually is pretty much the way what she did.
Yeah, she shook up.
Rasika, she shook up.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, we were Rasikas, right? Who actually went to enjoy the music.
Exactly.
Totally shaked us up. Oh, awesome job, Rasika.
Shook
Listen
us
to it.
up. Alto shaked us up.
Shook us up. Okay, fine. It has been a wonderful, relaxing weekend for me.
Yeah.
And of course, as I told you last week, we gave a small prelude as to what's going to happen today's show.
Correct.
And you're very proud of us, for sure.
Huh?
You'll be very proud of us.
And we're going to keep with what we told you for a change.
What does that mean? That did sound right.
Yeah, well, actually,
Ah.
see, we told you you're going to have a great time at the Shankar Loy concert.
And you did.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's no complaint about that, right? You guys did love it.
Yeah, and we told you that we're on a musical high. Like, on Saturday, what we did was we spent the whole day just listening to Billy Joel, Michael Jackson.
That's what you
remember,
did,
that's
huh?
what we did, right?
That's what you did.
Listen, we did a lot of other things also. But while we were just in the mood of a musical high. And just as we posted that, we got invited to this other concert with Sikil Gurucharan, and it's a beautiful classical, Indian classical and Western classical fusion. Oh my God. It was amazing. What a phenomenal weekend.
It was a phenomenal performance as well.
Yes, exactly. And आप अभी सोच रहे होंगे आज का थीम क्या होगा? क्या म्यूजिक के बारे में होगा?
Yeah, हमारा show always is about good music, but तो आपको मालूम है, right?
हाँ.
And what we also do is we actually give some nice gappa shappa for you guys. And we are the only show which actually trains you to start thinking critically.
Ah,
Yes, but critical thinking is very important in life.
right.
Especially because of the fact that every day of our life, we are doing some kind of decision or the other
Uh-huh.
that requires critical thinking.
Right.
Like, for instance, which politician to vote for?
Oh.
Well, of course, Donald Trump has made it very hard for us to think about that way also.
Huh.
Because sometimes he makes such great sense and profound knowledge he shares with us. At the same time, he also shows he can be as shallow as, the shallow swimming pool of kids,
Oh my God.
Yeah, so but again, that requires us to decide critically as to who you want to vote for.
Right.
Right, whether it's Hillary or Trump, or whether it's going to be the fact whether you're going to eat healthy today or not. That's a decision to make, right?
Exactly.
It's hard to make decisions on that. So we try to give you these exercises on air. All our shows are designed in such a way that helps you to think critically, Balaja.
Right.
Think outside the dabba. Yes. If you wonder why and how, I'll tell you how. We have a thing called as Make Out Mondays, correct?
Right.
Make Out Mondays में क्या करते हैं हम लोग गाना बजाते हैं. Which is actually a Hindi song. But we translate it for you in English. ताकि आप जाके अपने दिमाग के कोई कोने में जाके अपना डिक्शनरी उठा के you will start searching for equivalent Hindi words. Or your mother tongue of the words.
देखा इससे आपकी language skills improve करते हैं.
No, it's very true, Falguni, because language is one way of actually training your mind to think critically.
Correct.
Because critical thinking is what?
Critical thinking is
all about questioning. Questioning asking the right questions.
Correct.
So we are doing 50% of job. We're asking the right questions. It's up to you to answer them right now.
देखा बच्चा psychologist in the house.
Well, Balaja, I love the way the framing is today because there's nice we and I'm right there.
My God.
We are family. Well, Balaja, right now let me tell you, आज जो है, it's called. I gave it out last week itself.
Muhavra Mondays with the
Why wouldn't you wait for me to give the impact?
Oh, sorry.
कभी कभार wait करना
पड़ेगा. Okay, delete कर. Backspace.
चलो.
आज है
Muhavra Mondays.
इसमें डिफरेंस क्या था ये बता.
मैंने बताया इसलिए. Muhavra Mondays मतलब आप सब लोग हमारे में we all have like for example 2 minutes ago father जो किया उस nothing but चोर की daddy में think का right? Yeah.
जो मैंने
like you would start
नहीं
like kind of the Muhavras. There's so many Muhavras in Hindi which are there which some of the others are forgotten.
अरे वाह ये हमेशा आदमी के साथ होता है. Upside down thief scored the constable. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया तो आपको कॉल भी बताना पड़ेगा मैंने क्या बताया अभी तक.
That was the first question to go out.
Yes, that's the first question going out
and
already.
People would not have known what exactly you meant. Upside down thief scolding the constable.
Yes.
Tell us what this is.
Tell us what that means. And आपको बताया what that means मतलब हिंदी में मुहावरा कौन सा है darlings. And for the benefit of our non-Hindi speaking Mulcha, let's tell you मुहावरे का मतलब है those adages, those little sayings that you have it in every language, every vernacular. लेकिन हिंदी में काफी सारे ऐसे होते हैं. तो आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करके बताना है कि ये क्या है, कौन सा वाला मुहावरा मतलब जो हम ट्रांसलेशन आपको देते हैं वो कौन सा वाला मुहावरा है हिंदी में. एंड आपको वो सिग्निफिकेंस भी बतानी पड़ेगी कि किस चीज में कैसे यूज करते हैं उसको. इफ यू कांट, यू कैन जस्ट लिटरली ट्रांसलेट इट एंड सी how that actually sounds. It sounds really funny when you translate some of these in English. तो हमने सोचा थोड़ा आपका critical thinking और आपकी transliteration skills को बढ़ाएं और आपसे आज पूछें कि आप identify करो make out the muhavras darlings. तो नंबर दे दें आपको स्टूडियो का 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिए 408 212-2479. And for those of you who are watching us on the Radio Dihari's page on Facebook, hello, hola, como estás? A lot of you are tuning in from different parts of the world, so thank you. जो भी आप कहते हो, thank you very much for all the kind words that you send our way. तो अभी स्टूडियो पे, रेडियो पे सुनने के लिए देसी 1170 AM का ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो या जाइए हमारे जो वेबसाइट है KLOK1170am.com, वहाँ पे लिसन लाइव क्लिक करो और वहाँ पे सुन सकते हो हमें. और यहाँ पे फोन करना चालू कर दो 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लो 408-912-2479. तो सबसे पहले बंधु से बात करते हैं. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के मुहावरे मंडीज में. कौन जी? हाय मधु, कहाँ से कॉल कर रहे हो?
बहुत बड़ी लंबी रोड है,
ट्रैफिक जैम है. वेरी गुड. कितनी स्पेसिफिकली आपने बताया. वेरी गुड मधु जी. 680 North. And should I say you're welcome because you're so happy that Pam Pam's on the air?
Absolutely.
All right.
Traffic me, I'm so happy. Right now, I'm not sitting about it.
I know. आदु जी, क्या आप जानते हो जो हमने पूछा अपसाइड डाउन थीफ स्कोर्स द कांस्टेबल?
Absolutely, हाँ. उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे.
अच्छा, और वो कैसे यहाँ पे परवड़ेगा इस सिचुएशन में?
What do you mean? उसका ट्रांसलेट करना था ना?
हाँ, मैंने आलतू को बोला कि आलतू ने मेरे बारे में कुछ बोला, तो मैंने बोला उसको अपसाइड डाउन थीफ स्कोर्स द कांस्टेबल. तो उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे, इसका कौन सी सिचुएशन में जनरली यूज करते हैं?
गलती भी खुद करे और दूसरे को ब्लेम करे.
एग्जैक्टली, गलती भी खुद करे और दूसरों को ब्लेम करे. करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली.
So like for instance, जो फालतू वाली गलती है ना, जो गलती वो करते हैं, मेरे ब्लेम करती है, वही ना? Yes, exactly. Thank you so
ये
much.
वही नहीं
This is so true with husband, wife, couple, anywhere, right? ऐसी तो है ना.
अच्छा, चलता मैं मालूम मेरे को. मैं तो अभी शादी भी नहीं हुई. I know.
इतनी शेमलेसली अपने आप को सिंगल प्लग करता है.
क्या देखिए, देखो यार, क्या एक चीज है यहाँ पे ना, in the world, right? There's different categories of bachelor. There's an eligible bachelor, right? I've passed the call that eligible bachelor anymore.
Why?
Because now I'm eligible bachelor.
सभी को साफ दिखाई देता है.
Everybody know I'm a bachelor right now. That's nice.
हाँ, तो आपने बोला उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. आलतू क्या करना है? दे दे.
दे दो यार.
Congratulations, आपने सही बचाना ये जो मुहावरा हमने आपको दिया. तो आप हमें एक मुहावरा दीजिए जो हमारे बंधु फिगर आउट कर सके. हिंदी में नहीं, इंग्लिश में कुछ है? है?
इंग्लिश में.
हाँ. थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा ना. Okay, don't worry.
तो आप डोंट वरी कीजिएगा, बस आप जाके हमारा फेसबुक डाल दीजिएगा जो आज से आपने गेस किया था. एंड फालतू नहीं. चलो एक काम करते हैं. इन्होंने शी गॉट इट राइट. वही करना वाला. तो जाके हमारे फेसबुक डाल दीजिएगा प्लीज फॉर श्योर. एंड अभी के लिए बने ज्वाइन अस. नंबर टू कॉल इज 4089122479. एंड फालतू हाउ अबाउट अ सॉन्ग?
Absolutely, आलतू बाबा, एक ऐसा गाना लगाते हैं जहाँ पे मुहावरे भरे पड़े हैं. What do you think?
Why not?
Why not? चलो ठीक है, enjoy करो मधुचंद. And the next one, actually, I want to ask you something, आलतू. अगर हम लोग जो translation है उसको पहले से ही दे देते हैं, तो बंदूज already they can Google and they can translate and then call in, ना? Instead, should we wait for Sheetal, so should we actually give out the muhavra and then they call in?
Why don't you play a song we decided living life? Tell our बंधु the phone number to dial in 4089122479. Call कीजिएगा और हमें बताइएगा कि what do you think? Do you know how to figure out the muhavra? मतलब मुहावरा मंडीज में आप भाग में चाहते हैं, तो कॉल कीजिएगा
4089122479. सबसे पहले इस गाने के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं बंजान. इस गाने में आपको एटलीस्ट 2 मुहावरे पकड़ने हैं और हमें कॉल करके बताने हैं. ये एक कॉन्टेस्ट है फ्रॉम वन ऑफ आवर काइंड स्पॉन्सर्स बॉम्बे टू गोवा. तो यहाँ पे कॉल करना चालू कर दो 4089122479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिए 4089122479.
Stay tuned. 5 o'clock we're gonna go live again. अभी तब तक के लिए आप सभी लोगों को join us on DC7 PM.
हम मिलेंगे लाइव एट 5.